back to my channel. It is day 6, y'all. Day 6 of Vlogmas. And here we are. Like, we here. We in here. We lit. Okay? Yeah, so today's video is just gonna focus around me being an adult. I just got off of work. I went in at 6. I worked at Target this morning, you guys, and you know, if you know me, y'all know my situation with Target. It was at the end of the road, December 1st. You hear me? But things change or whatever. So yeah, I just got off. I really wasn't on a schedule any this week, so that was pretty much cool with me. Next week I start my overnights, which I think will be better for me going forward, because you know I work right now. I was working first shift. I was working from Target 6 to 2, and 6 to 1:30 or whatever, and then I'll go straight to the center 2 to 8, 2 to 9, 2 to 11, and then you know repeat. Which I kind of felt like, dang, I'm working myself like a dog, but I'm tired, this, that, and the third. Which, y'all know, I've been working 2 jobs and going to school for a long time now. That ain't never bothered me or whatever. I always be tired, but I consider myself like an overachiever, you know. That's the adult thing, you know. What it is. So, yeah. Going in, what I'm talking about, like, with Target, my situation with Target was very, like, it had hit the end of the road, y'all. When I say, I don't know, like, a week before Thanksgiving, I had put my 2 weeks notice in, so my last day was going to be December the 1st, and, you know, I was like, okay, fine with me. You know, it is what it is. I just had, like, I got extremely frustrated, and I thought about it, and I felt like it was just, the position I was in was like really just bothering me. I would be aggravated. I come to work happy and then just leave upset, which I just felt like, yeah, that's not how, I can't live my life like that. I don't get paid enough to be stressed. Too blessed to be stressed. Do you hear me? But yeah. So, what ended up happening? So, yeah, I put my 2 weeks notice in, and, like, I was only being scheduled, like, 2 or 3 days, 3 or 4 days, not many. I wasn't getting 40 hours, none of that, like, and it was, like, extremely hard for me to get 40 hours because you know, at my other position, like, I had a lot of duties going on, and I'm like, trying to balance it out, whatever, and still, you know, try to maintain school and stuff. So that it is what it is with that. What happened? So yeah, I got extremely frustrated, and I just turned my 2 weeks notice in, filled out went forward the next steps, and then my supervisor called me, and he wanted to talk about it, and he was like, okay, we can change your situation, we can make it better for you. And I'm like, what? You can do that? You can do that for me? Okay, let's do this. So now, like, I work overnights for the rest of the holidays. I'll be working overnights, which is, you know, the bomb.com for me, because I'd rather work at Target at night when nobody's there than to work during the day when everybody and their mama, grandma, sister, brother, cousin there. That's fine. But yeah, so I feel like that situation would be a whole lot better for me. But you know, at the end of the day, it is what it is. With that, so right now, y'all, that's it. Like, I feel like being an adult, a young adult, is some real shit. Like, how y'all did this? Like, I be calling my mama, like, Mom. I call my mama, y'all, I talk to my mom and daddy every day. So I'm like, yo, this can't be the same shit y'all was doing, because I would have been like, fuck it. And then y'all had kids? Y'all got kids, yo? No, I let it go. I'm good. We good, yo. Nah, we good. I don't want no parts in that. No parts in being an adult, like. But yeah, it is what it is. You know, you got to keep the faith that your situation is going to be better. So I'm just praying to the Lord to give me guidance and strength to get through these days, because one thing I realized, God will not put too much on you that you cannot bear. So, you know, you just got to get through that storm, okay? So that's a message for y'all. If you're going through something as a young adult, you know, keep pushing. Don't give up. Y'all, it's been so many things in my life that I want to give up on, and I'm just thankful and blessed and happy that I did not, because shit would be so much worse if I did. But yeah, so y'all, this is day 6 of Vlogmas. I'm not gonna run out today because I ain't got nothing going on. I be trying not to cuss in these videos, but I'm a cursor. I cuss. But alright, y'all, yeah, I'm not gonna ramble any longer. But yeah, so I'll see y'all folks tomorrow in day 7. I probably have something a little fancy planned since I ain't got shit to do. I get off early tonight. So, yeah, I get off early tonight. So, I might do a little makeup video for tomorrow. Y'all want to see that? Y'all, bye, y'all, because this is just too much.